my creative friends, Olga Sobi here, and as you can see, I have decorated my studio just a little, and I feel so ready for holiday season and for this cozy, nice atmosphere. And as I was decorating, I got so inspired by this color combination with the reds and greens and of course lots of gold. So this is the color combo that I want to use for my painting today. I really want to create something bright and cheerful. So let's see how that's gonna turn out. Also, just recently, a couple days ago, my channel has reached an amazing, crazy, mind-blowing milestone, 200,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for keep following my creative journey, for sharing your creative journey with me. We are up for so much fun and a lot of creative projects together in the near future. I'm so looking forward to that. And now let's get started with today's painting. So I want to go for a color split base today with my green color on the bottom, and I know that my cameras have quite a hard time showing the true shades of green, so sometimes it shows as pretty dark and bluish color, but this is actually pretty bright phthalo green that I have here. And I'm gonna have red at the top of my split color and white in between. And after that, I want to go for double traveling open cup technique to achieve some cells and play with that composition. My paint is mixed to a very fluid consistency today. This is what I always do for the open cup technique. You can find all the mixture and colors and other supplies details in the description of this video, so definitely check it out. So next I am adding colors to my open cup, which is just a small cookie cutter that I use. So here I have dioxazine purple, and next here is crimson red, and I'm just layering colors over each other. Here comes gold, and next is a cadmium yellow medium hue. Alright, so all the colors are in the cup, and now my favorite part. Let's do the travel. I absolutely love these colors. This looks just perfect. Such a cool color transitions here. So the paint has set for a few minutes and quite a few more cells showed up. So beautiful. And by the way, there is no silicone oil in any of the colors. So I have quickly wiped the cookie cutter, and now let's do the second travel of the open cup. So I am very happy with the color transitions on both sides, on my red side and on my green side. So now I'm just gonna grab my metal straw and I want to blow out some of the edges and just really play and have fun with the composition. There is already so much movement in the composition, and now I just want to work a little on the other side here. I think this color combo works super well. If you also give it a go, share your results in our Facebook group. I'll include the link in the description. Check out these two playlists to see more acrylic pouring techniques and ideas, and let me know how you like today's outcome. I'll be happy to chat with you in the comments down below, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!